Good day, everyone. Today, I'm your teacher, Cedric, and I will be discussing about tetrahedron, a three-dimensional geometric shape. So first, what is tetrahedron? Tetrahedron word comes from the Greek words, and tetra means four, and hedron means faces. So it literally means a solid figure that has four faces. So a tetrahedron is a three-dimensional solid shape that has four triangular faces, and it has six edges and four vertices. So because that you have a little knowledge about tetrahedron, so let's now move on solving. So for the solving, James will solve it for you guys.
So this is our model, which is tetrahedron or a triangular pyramid. So the first thing we're going to do is write the given. So our given is 180 centimeters. Then the next thing we're going to do is write the formula, which is the formula of tetrahedron is volume is equal to a cube over 6 square root of 2. So the next thing we're going to do is the solution. So the next, after the formula, we're going to write the substitution of the given in the formula. So the A will be 180 centimeter being cube over 6 square root of 2. So the next thing is we're going to solve the number that is being cubed. So it will be volume is equal to 5,832,000 centimeters cube. I forgot to write the centimeters cube. Then over 6 square root of 2. 6 square root of 2. So the next thing we are going to solve it directly. So the answer is 687,307.79 centimeters cube. So this is the final answer.
So that's all for today, everyone. I hope you learned something from Teacher Cedric and Teacher James. That's all for today. Thank you.